This video is about how to order directly from factory on 1688. So you have to log into your web browser, log into your account via the web, then click to translate, click on the three dots and translate it. Then look at your left hand side, look up left hand side, then you can see find a factory. So click on find a factory. So wait for it to load, then translate again. Click on the three dots up here to translate again. Now you can see where they wrote brand OEM benchmark. You can now source manufacturing benchmark, strength list, ladies shoulder bag, must find you can just keep checking for the kind of things you want to buy from here so that you can get the best price directly from the factory. So you can see it here. You can see this one and the road factory M. You see the name of the factory here. You will be writing factory there. You see that it's actually factory. So if you want to order clothes, for example, you can easily search it here, search in this search place here, and order clothes or any other thing you want to order. So you can order, let's say, handbags. You can search it there. So if it is handbags you want to order, any other thing, you can search it. You can type it and search it for it. Then it will bring out factories that are selling bags. So you can select the one you want to buy from. Then you can click on this one now. And then you can select. You can see the price is very cheap. This one now is going for 2 point something. So you can now click on it to place your order. So you can see this bag now, they are selling it for 300 MB. So if you translate it, you can see there's difference in the interface. The interface is different from when you are buying normally. But since it is factory, they are saying the minimum order of this bag now is 1,000. That is why the price is cheap. The minimum order is 1,000 pieces. You can see it here now. So you can see factory here. Down, look below, you see factory down there. So if you want to place an order now, you can now click here and place your order. You can see that even the interface where you place order is different. So if you want to order directly from factory, most times you have to order large quantity. So this is how to order from factory. If you want to check the factory, other things that they are selling in the factory, you can click on factory like this. This is the factory picture, or you just come and click down below this place, click on factory. Then you will now enter the factory, what they have in stock. You see every other thing they have in stock that you can buy from them. So it's very easy to locate the factory sellers. So let us go back now. Continue to search like that. Then you can click on it like this. That is another handbag. You click on it, it will take you to the factory. Then translate it like this. You can see the factory picture there. See everything. Customize OEBDM. You can see it. OEM means original manufacturing equipment. Like people are manufacturers. That is why they wrote OEBDM. So you can see it's very cheap. So this one, a minimum order for this one. Let me translate it. Minimum order for this one now is 100 pieces. That's why it's cheap, 15 RMB. See, the bag is fine. So you can place your order and put the quantity you want to order. Then they can also customize it for you. If you want them to customize it, you can chat them for them to customize it for you. You can see other details of the factory. See everything here. This is their certificate and all that. And you can also decide to chat them if you have any inquiry you want to make. You can click on inquiry, and this is my phone number. So you will send them anything you want to tell them and send it to them. You type it here and send it, so that you want to ask them any question about their factory, about their product, or you want to anything you want to ask, Sha, you can just send it here. Then you can call them. You can decide to click on call up. When you click on this call up, it's going to bring out their phone number and you can use it to call them. Or you can ask online. Anything you want to ask them online, you can click on ask online, then you chat them like this. You can chat and send hello like that to them, then they are going to answer you. Actually do the same thing on the app. This is the app. So on the app, click on look up. You see Chinese letters written up there after this search camera icon, this search area. You see look up, you see Chinese letters that is written up there. So click on the one in the middle. That is the one that will take you to the factory. If you translate it, you'll see that that's what they wrote there is factory. So to find factory, so from here now you can do the same thing and look for factory here as well. So it's still the same thing. You can just click on any products that you want to buy from here. Click on it like this. Then it will take you to the factory site. Then you can now order whatsoever you want to order from here. So it's still the same thing, but you cannot translate the app. So you can see it whenever you are in a factory's website. There is always difference in the write-up. You see it will be written in blue. You see it in blue. That's how you know that, okay, you are in a factory. This is their own. It's not wholesaler, it's not retailer. It's actually the direct factory that you are on their page. So you can easily know by the way the color will change. Even the interface of the page will change. It will not be the same thing as other ones. So this one, a minimum order for this one is 2. So you can see beautiful things. You order cheap. That will be cheaper.